Top 10 Kafka interview questions and answer. What is Kafka? Kafka is a distributed messaging system used to transfer data between applications in real time. It can handle millions of messages without losing performance. Real example. When you place an order on e-commerce website, Kafka sends the order information to payment, inventory and shopping services at the same time. Why do companies use Kafka? Companies use Kafka because it is fast, reliable, scalable, and can process large amount of data in real time. Real example. Netflix uses Kafka to collect user activity, such as movie views and recommendations instantly. What is topic in Kafka? A topic is a category where a message are stored. Procedure write messages to topic and consumer read them. Real example. An online shopping application may have topics like orders, payments, notification and delivery. What is producer? A producer is an application that sends message to a Kafka topic. Real example. When a customer submits an order, the order service acts as a producer and send to the order details to the order topic. What is consumer? A consumer is an application that reads a message from a Kafka topic and processes them. Real example. The email service reads the order message from Kafka and sends an order confirmation email to the customer. What is broker? A broker is a Kafka server that stores messages and serves them to consumers. Real example. If a company has three Kafka servers, each server is called a broker. Together they share the workload. What is partition? A partition divides a topic into multiple parts. So Kafka can process message in parallel. Real example. If 1 million orders arrive every hour, Kafka split the order topic into multiple partitions so different consumer can process them simultaneously. What is consumer group? A consumer group is a group of consumers working together to read messages from a topic. Real example. If four consumers belong to the same group, Kafka distribute different partition among them, allowing faster processing. What is replication in Kafka? Replication creates copies of data on multiple brokers to prevent data loss if one server fails. Real example. If broker 1 crashes, another broker already has the same data and continuous serving requested without interruption. What is Kafka better than traditional messaging system? Kafka provides high performance, fault tolerance, scalability, and real time message processing, real time processing, making it suitable for modern distributed applications. Let's see real example. Tradition queue and Kafka. Limited scalability in Kafka, easily scalable, lower throughput, millions of messages per second, less fault tolerance, built-in replication, mostly point-to-point, multiple consumer can read the same data. Better for small system, better for enterprise application. Let's see quick revision. What is Kafka? A distributed event streaming platform. What is topic? A place where messages are stored. What is producer? Sends message to Kafka. What is consumer? Reads message from Kafka. What is broker? Kafka server that stores messages. What is partition? Split data for Parallel processing. What is